Our Wednesday afternoon was a hot one across the region. High temperatures reached the lower to middle 90s with even hotter heat index values approaching 110 degrees for some of us at times. The average high is down to 91 degrees, so that 93 for us here in Savannah is above normal. Starting to cool off a little bit. Off in the distance from our Savannah camera view, we can see some towering cumulonimbus clouds indicative of some thunderstorm development. At the Savannah airport, we are down to 85 degrees, so in areas that are at least in the vicinity of some of the showers and storms are able to cool off a bit for us this evening. Viper radar becoming a little bit more active than compared to just a little while ago. Some pockets of some heavy rain down in the south. Sea breeze and some outflow boundaries are interacting with some of the cells that have been developing further to the south. You can see how quickly this one blossomed up over interior Bryan County just over the last hour or so as that boundary made its way through Ellabelle. That is drifting to the north toward Ellabelle. We do have some heavier rain now into Long County near Ludowici along Highway 84 and US 25. Some heavier rain setting up as well. Further to the south, do have some strong storms that have been developing. This is making its way toward western Glenn County along Highway 82. This will be making its way into McIntosh County, of course, southern Wayne County over the next half an hour to 45 minutes. A few more isolated showers or storms are possible over the next few hours, but overall, once we get to the overnight, conditions will be drying out. So very warm and humid to start our Thursday with temperatures in the upper 70s, climbing quickly into the lower to middle 90s for highs. Heat index values will be even hotter, possibly over 105 degrees for us at times. And if you're going to be out and about doing anything outdoors, stay cool and hydrated, and also keep an eye to the sky because of the showers and storms developing. Overall, the risk for showers and storms over the next few days will be relatively low, so the heat will be our main concern. Those heat index values will be certainly a lot higher as we head into Friday, perhaps approaching 110 degrees. It's possible we could see more heat advisories issued by the National Weather Service, just like we had earlier today. They did expire at 6 o'clock for most of the area. As we head through the evening, a few more showers are possible. There's a disturbance moving through middle Georgia that will be with us as we head into the evening hours. That will bring some shower chances and some thunderstorm chances for our western counties, but once that clears off to the north, we will begin to dry out for most of us as we head into the overnight hours. And then for tomorrow, mainly dry during the morning hours, and then it's in the afternoon when we will begin to see a few more showers and storms develop for our area, mainly dry for tomorrow evening, with temperatures staying on the warmer side after making it into the mid-90s for some of us for those high temperatures. In the tropics, in the central Atlantic, we have Tropical Storm Aaron, which is really showing some signs of life as being a healthy tropical system right now. It is a tropical storm still. It is strengthening a bit as of 5 o'clock. Winds are up to 50 miles per hour, wind gusts as high as 65 miles per hour. This is moving westerly for now, but as it does become stronger later on this week, becoming a hurricane and possibly a major hurricane over the weekend, it will make that turn, will begin to make that turn to the north away from the southeastern United States. So at this point, no significant concerns for the eastern seaboard of the U.S. For tonight, 77 degrees for the low temperature with a few storms early on, and then for tomorrow, hot and humid with a few isolated storms possible for us. 94 for the high temperature. Similar conditions for Friday. Rain chances increasing a little bit for Saturday. 93 for the high temperature, and then those rain and storm chances really begin to back off going into next week. We will be under the influence of tropical storm, or what will likely be Hurricane Aaron, well out to sea, but we will have a northerly flow which will help the dry conditions out for us locally.
Okay, thank you so much.
Coming up in sports, we give you